Good morning, students. I hope you are healthy and safe at your homes, and you also getting the right concept of social justice. In this way, we will continue the topic and also discuss one great philosopher's views in today's lecture. The publication of Rawls, A Theory of Justice, in 1971 was an event of very great significance in the history of Western political thought. His theory regarding justice reconciled liberal individualism with the principle of social justice. First concept of Rawls' theory. In trying to build up his theory of justice, Rawls used some ideas from the theory of social contract, which I have explained when I taught to you about the political theory. According to this theory, the state was the result of an agreement, or you can say contract, entered into by men who originally had no governmental organization. In this pre-political condition, no one knows his place in a society, nor does anyone know the intelligence and strength. People did not know how the natural assets, income, wealth, and other desirable goods were to be distributed among the members of society. Thus, the principle of justice were chosen behind a veil of ignorance. Means veil, you can use another word for veil of disguise of ignorance. Means it is another concept of ignorance. According to that, uh, human being adopted a form of government and also following the rules, and that is also a type of ignorance. According to Rawls, individuals are naturally motivated by their own interests. They would opt for such social and political arrangements as would suit their own interests. So, uh, Rawls has given many principles regarding justice, and we are going to discuss the first principle of Rawls, that is the principle of greatest basic liberties. But before, I must share the views of Rawls. The merit of the veil of ignorance is that the person who divides the cake into many pieces does not know which piece will go to him. Therefore, he will divide the cake in a manner that is just. I hope this example is clear to you. And now the first principle. Considering that all men are rational, they would agree on the following principles of justice. Firstly, principle of greatest basic liberties. According to this, the basic liberties would be various kinds like economic, personal, intellectual, and of course political freedoms. And it has to have an equal right to all these basic liberties. It seems that Rawls was very keen to save individual liberties, which are the life and soul of liberalism. According to second principle, the principle of equality of opportunities means each person is also to have equal opportunities to achieve desired positions and income and wealth in the society. I hope all the points are clear to you, and we will discuss more points in coming lectures. Thank you and have a nice day.